On a clear night, away from city lights, the sky is full of stars, more than we could possibly dream of counting, right? Well, if there were a grain of sand for every star that we could see with the naked eye, 9,096. That's it. Every star bright enough to be seen from Earth without the aid of a telescope. Antares is one, +1 to be exact, on the astronomical scale of brightness. The sun checks in at -27, the full moon -13. Even at the darkest places on Earth, like Chile's Atacama Desert, our eyes can only detect objects magnitude 6.5 or brighter. But with bigger eyes, we can see a lot more. This is the Andromeda Galaxy, the nearest major galaxy to the Milky Way, and it's full of stars. Earth is surrounded by 360 degrees of space in every direction. Take an arc of 1 degree and divide it into 60, and that's an arc minute. This 1.5 billion pixel image from the Hubble telescope covers about 1,000 square arc minutes and contains more than 100 million stars. Let's put that into perspective. If it was brighter, this is what Andromeda would look like next to our moon. But we don't have to look at an area of sky that big to find 100 million stars. Let's take a closer look at this little piece of sky. The Hubble telescope was aimed at this sliver of sky. Its shutter opened for 2 million seconds, and from a seemingly empty corner of space emerged not stars, but thousands of galaxies. Some of these are as old as 13.2 billion years. Photons emitted near the beginning of the universe itself. The faintest objects in this image are 10 billion times dimmer than we can see with our own eyes. To cover the entire sky, it would take 30 million squares the size of this Hubble Extreme Deep Field. Scientists estimate that the observable universe contains about 200 billion galaxies. If, instead of stars, we made every grain of sand a galaxy, it would fill 27 cubic meters. So, how many stars are there? Maybe 1 septillion. That's a number that's so big that it doesn't make sense. But one thing we can be sure of, there's not enough beaches on Earth to hold them all. Carl Sagan said that Earth is the shore of the cosmic ocean. So remember, each night when we look up at a sky seemingly filled with stars, we're only dragging a finger through the sand. Stay curious. When we see pictures of the sun from outer space in movies, TV shows, and even pictures from astronomers, it's often tinted orange to seem more familiar to us. But really, this screen can't even display the true color of the sun. The images being beamed onto your retinas right now are mixtures made of red, green, and blue light, the intensities of which are varied to trick your cone cells into the sensation of any visible wavelength or mix of wavelengths.